Hi, my name is Juan Fuertes Otoya. My project number 1 is analysis of CDMA modem using MATLAB. Coded division multiple access or CDMA is a generic term for various methods of multiplexing or media access control based on spreading spectrum technology. It is commonly used in wireless communication, although it can also be used in fiber optical or cable systems. Definition: the problem to solve in data communication is how to distribute the use of a single communication channel or transmission medium among several users, so that several communications can be managed at the same time. The hope a method of organization in the past who appeared that could either be encouraging or directly impede communication. This concept is called multiplexing or media access control depending on the context of such. To solve this, CDMA uses spread spectrum technology and a special coding scheme, by which every transmitter is assigned unique code chosen so that is orthogonal with respect to the rest. The receiver captures the signal emitted by all the transmitter at the same time. But thanks to the coding smart, you can select the signal of interest if you know the code used despite the fact that all the signals share the same frequency. Video number 1. In this video we will observe the difference of the CDMA and GSM modules.
GSM and CDMA are two dominated technologies for mobile communication. These two technologies differ in the way calls and data travel over the mobile phone networks take place. When comparing both the technologies, GSM has some limitation when the call's quality is concerned, but still has more flexibility and an easy implementation relative to the CDMA technology. The major difference between the two lies in terms of the technology they use, security factors, their global reach, and the data transfer speeds. In this video, I will going to show you difference between GSM and CDMA technology. GSM stands for Global System for Mobile Communication. CDMA stands for Code Division Multiple Access. GSM operates on the weights spectrum, called a carrier is divided into a number of time slots and each user is assigned a different time slot, so that until the ongoing call is finished, no other call have access to this. CDMA is based on spread spectrum technology, which makes the optimal use of available bandwidth. It allows each user to transmit over the entire frequency spectrum all time. The GSM networks operate in the frequency spectrum of 850 MHz and 1900 MHz. The CDMA network operates in the frequency spectrum of 850 MHz and 1.9 GHz. GSM use EDGE data transfer technology. CDMA has faster data technology as EVDO. Ready data transfer technology is used. A SIM card is required for the working of GSM device. CDMA phones do not have these pluses. GSM offers a maximum download speed of 384 KB per second. CDMA offers a maximum download speed of 2 MB per second. Signals can be detected as the GSM signals are concentrated in the narrow bandwidth. The signals cannot be detected easily in CDMA. Dear viewers, thanks for watching the video. Any question, write in the comment box. Don't forget to like and share. More update, please subscribe our channel Learning Engineering and get notifications to press the bell icon.
Video number 2. In this video he explained how to detect a CDMA modem connected to USB in Linux.
Morning, YouTubers. Well, maybe it's like 1 a.m. where you are and you're ready to go to bed, but this error is popping up on your screen. This video will try and help you out. If you could, please like and subscribe, and God bless.
Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. God bless.
Application in electronics. The name multiplexes is a play-for case in which a single device determines the distribution of the channel between different communications, such as a hub located at the end of the fiber optical cable. For end-user terminals, multiplexing is transparent. Instead, the term media access control is used when the user terminal in communication with a device that acts as a network node must use a certain communication mesh to avoid interference between them, such as example a group of mobile phones in communication with a operator antennas. The 10CDMA firmware is popularly used to refer to a mobile phone wireless interface developed by Qualcomm and later accepted as a standard by the North American TIA under the name IS-95. Indeed, the system developed by Qualcomm uses a CDMA technology, but they are not the only ones to do so. Video number 3. In this video, I explain how to test the portable CDMA modem.
Hello friends, how are you? Today I will show you how to connect your AnyData world call eVTOL wireless broadband. It's a high-speed CDMA modem. Okay, let me show you the options. Just unplug this cap and then see. This is for SIM slot. Okay, and this option. Look, it's working. It shows this light. Okay, means this modem is working fine.
Pros and cons. Pros. The signal is emitted with a bandwidth much greater than the required by the data to be transmitted. Each user of a CDMA system uses a different transmission code to modulate their signal. The selection of the code to use for modulation is vital for the good performance of CDMA systems. Cons. Synchronous CDMA system work well if there is no excessive delay in the arrival of signals. Radio links between mobile phones and the databases cannot be coordinated very precisely. Due the mobile of the terminals, the different signals have a variable arrival delay. Video number 4. In this video, he showed us the respiration of the CDMA. Use applied in Ecuador. The government of Ecuador understands universal telecommunication service has the obligation to expand access to defined set of services of telecommunication to all the inhabitants of the national territory, uh, without prejudice to their economic, social condition or the geographical locations, at an affordable price and with quality determined in defined technical standards. It is also noted that CDMA 450 technology offers a new way of using mobile technology to private universal access in Ecuador. To the transmit at lower frequencies, this technology allows the use of cells of size higher, which allow a reduction in installations cost since a smaller number of base stations to provide coverage to the same territory. Example in MATLAB. As a first point, we have the writing of the programming lines so that MATLAB knows what we want to do from the use to explain byplay. I made use of a relationship of the amplitude of the voltage time that resembles the transfers in gigahertz of data that they will be sent by the CDMA modem to the database of your destructor's network in order to raise the same amount of data or writer. Once the programming part has been graded, we give the option to run the program. In this way, we will observe the amplitude of the wave with respect to the time of the output signal, marked with red color, and the input signal that is seen to be higher, which is marked with a blue color. Conclusion: the use of technology CDMA wireless access will allow the expansion of the network of the operators for the provision of telecommunication services. That is, expansion of universal access. Empirical evidence shows that effectively the use of coded division multiple access technology in the 450 MHz band CDMA allows Ecuador to expand the coverage of the network of service operators, facilitating the expansion of universal access telecommunication. Thanks.